Welcome to Tammy's Rippin' Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious shepherd's pie. The first day it was a little bit runny, and the second day it had firmed up a lot. So here I've prepped my mushrooms, carrots, zucchini, onions, garlic, celery, and some veggie ground rounds here too, along with some veggie stock and flour and all my spices. So first off, you're going to want to brown your garlic and onions, and then add the rest of your chopped vegetables. Add in all your spices. And here I've got the potatoes on to boil, and they will be mashed and ready to go on top. And here I've added in the veggie ground round and stirred it well. And at this point you want to add in your flour and give it a good stir, and then add your veggie stock. And now it's time to drain and mash your potatoes. You can add in some butter and milk if you like. And here I've just used my cookie scoop to scoop the potatoes out and put them atop the shepherd's pie. And sprinkle them with some spices like paprika, some parsley, some dill. And to make it even better, you can top it with some vegan cheddar shreds. And you'll want to pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. And now it's all ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.